Let's go, my fellow pack ripping addicts. Ascending heroes, one pack a day as we do. Let's see what we get today. Go card. Fire. Ah. Shiny. Sneasel. Hops. Phantom. Grubbin. Charbag. Evolved. Galarian. Obstagoon. Noivern. Amphia and Cordinia. Erica's Gloom Energy Pattern. Erica's Bellsprout Pokeball. And a Stunfish. I couldn't get my words out there. Stunfish EX. That's cool. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See what we get in the next pack, in the next video. Let's go.